Alright guys, hello, my name is Travion Johnson, and today we're going to be going over an experiment based on chemical reaction. So this experiment is going to consist of vinegar, baking soda, some balloons, a bowl or any kind of container, a cup, and we also have some funnels. Step one, you're going to want to take your baking soda right here. You're gonna want to pour it up into the bowl first, or whatever container you have first. Pour a good little bit of that in there. Right. And the next thing you're gonna want to do is to take the vinegar and to pour it in. So like I said before, next step is that you're gonna pour your vinegar in. Would you look at that? Look at all those bubbles forming. That's exactly what we're looking for. Now I know some of you might be asking, how is this possible? Well, for starters, our baking soda right here is a base. And our vinegar over here is an acid. And when these two things mix, a chemical reaction occurs, which is what we just saw. So that's why when I poured in the vinegar into the baking soda, that's why we got that type of chemical reaction, because this is a base and we have our acid. Now another fun thing we can do with our acid and base in this experiment is that we're gonna start off by taking the balloon, grab one of your funnels, let's do this, excuse me, and let's pour some of our base into that. Excuse the mess. Alright, ooh, thanks. Sometimes it gets a little messy, guys. So, now that we have that, we set that to the side. Next thing we're gonna do is to take our empty water bottle, or any empty bottle, just make sure that the bottle is empty, and we're gonna funnel in some vinegar. So we pour a little bit of vinegar. Alright. Now, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the funnel out of your balloon. You're gonna put the balloon over the bottle, make sure that it's secured. Alright. Make sure that it's all the way over, make sure that it's nice and tight. And you're gonna drop that into the water. As you can see, our balloon is blowing up. It's cool, right? Ooh, it's still going. Alright, so I bet you're wondering, how do we get this here balloon to blow up? By just simply placing it over here and dumping something in a bottle. So the answer is pretty simple. Say you're just blowing up a balloon using your breath, right? What do we breathe out, or more specifically, what are we blowing into the balloon, right? We're blowing in carbon dioxide, right? That's how we're blowing up the balloon. Okay, so the base baking soda and our acid in the vinegar, when they mix, they release the gas carbon dioxide. Therefore, when we put it on top of this here bottle, and we drop the baking soda inside of it, it caused that chemical reaction which released all that carbon dioxide, thus blowing up the balloon. And that's how we got this to blow up. So that's all that we have today, and this has been a chemical reaction experiment. Try this at home. Just make sure you have something to clean up, because it did get a little messy. But besides that, it's a fun experiment to do, and I encourage anyone to do it. Have a good day.